A very good morning to students. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is dedication. Students, it's Saturday and Saturday it's a fun day or the day for different things. So today we are going to discuss about dedication. So first of all, let me know what is dedication. Dedication means samarpan. When we are dedicated to our work, not only for education, for anything, for any work, means when we are dedicated to our job, our duties, our social responsibilities and other things. If we are dedicated, then we can make our goal. So students, do you know about the god of cricket? Who is the god of cricket? Yes, this one. Yes, this Sachin Tendulkar. He is the god of cricket. And why we call him god of cricket? Do you know? No? Then I am going to tell you that why we called it god of cricket. Students, the Sachin Tendulkar, when one day what happened when a news reporter asked him one question to him that, sir, what's your routine? You are the called by the god of cricket. So what's your routine? So he said that every day I wake up 5 o'clock, then I do my routinal work and go to net for practice. Means I go for practice every day. So that reporter asked, sir, last day you made centuries, you made a record, then also you go for. So when that reporter asked to him, sir, what's your routine? Then he replied that morning 5 o'clock, then I go to practice in a net, and until I play 500 balls, I don't watch the newspaper or other things. I don't check my social account. But what's our routine? What we do? I think most of all of you wake up early in the morning and first of all you check the status. Am I right? So we are punctual for checking the status. But we are not punctual about we are not dedicated our duties, about our work. Like if you are a student, you must dedicate it to your education. If you are a teacher, you must be dedicated to your teaching job. If you are a worker, you must dedicate it to your work. If we are dedicated to our work, then we can achieve our goal, we can get success in our life. So students, I hope all of you will dedicate it after listening the story of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, who has record, who is Bharat Ratna, but still morning he go for practice because he is dedicated to his work. That's why he is Bharat Ratna. Okay, that's why he is the god of cricket. Not by this. Okay, so this one thing is, this story is saying to us that we must dedicate it to our job, dedicate it to our work. Those who are meritorious students, they also do such kind of things. Means they dedicated to their work. But what we do, the common student, if they have work in the evening, if they have to attend a marriage party of their friend, first they'll go to play in the evening, then after they'll say to their parents, Papa, today I'll have to go to attend my friend's marriage party, so I will not study today. In the school, they'll say, sir, I could not complete my work because there was a party of my friend, so I went there, so sir, I could not do such kind of things. But the meritorious students, they start doing their work, doing their study before going to play. Whether they'll come to play, but they cut their hours of playing. Means as usual they play for 1 hour, but on that day they will play only for half an hour, but they'll go to play and they'll do study also because they are dedicated to their job, their work. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. So thank you for listening me. I hope all of you will change your attitude, your behavior. I hope all of you have got the message what I wanted to say to you, that we must dedicate it to our job. We will not dedicate it to our work. मीन्स हम जब तक अपने काम के प्रति समर्पित नहीं होंगे, हमें अपने काम के प्रति समर्पित होना है। जब तक हम अपने काम के प्रति समर्पित नहीं होंगे तब तक हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिल सकती। जितने भी लोग हैं जिन्होंने सक्सेस पाई है वो पूरी तरीके से समर्पित थे। ओलंपिक्स में खेलने वाले खिलाड़ी वो इतने दिनों से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, वो इतने दिनों से पूरी तरीके से सुबह दोपहर शाम मेडल जीतने के बाद में भी वो प्रैक्टिस जारी रखते हैं अगले ओलंपिक के लिए। क्यों? क्योंकि दे आर डेडिकेटेड टू देयर जॉब। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉट दिस मैसेज। आई होप सभी को मेरी बात समझ में आई होगी और वो अपने जीवन में कुछ परिवर्तन लाने की कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद मी। बाय बाय।